Assalamu alaikum students. This is our new exercise. In this exercise we have also hole. Before, in last exercises we use a turning tool to make the shape, and then we parting tool. In this shape we have a hole also here, and to produce this hole we will not use the drill, center drill. We have a tool which is called eco cut. With this hole, if like this hole is 14 millimeter, directly this diameter is also 14, it will go direct and it will produce diameter 14. More advantage of this tool is that we can make also inside shape, and it can do little bit turning and facing also. So I want to show you video about this tool, and more I will tell you the mistakes which you are doing in your last program. So first we will go to the video and see how this tool will perform. This is the video, this is the eco cut, and this is the another video, this is the normal tool. Now see the difference there. Let's play. Now see, with this you can make facing and a little bit turning also here, or with the normal tool. Now here the tool is being changed, the drill will come, and see now this is more fast. Now direct it made facing and turning, since the tool changing is going on there, and it has finished the hole also. Now it stopped, and now it will do the boring, and there until now the drilling is going on and it is started boring. But in this exercise we will do just drilling. Next exercise I will teach you how to do boring also with this same tool. Very powerful tool. Now see there still now boring tool will come, the tool changing is going on, which takes also time. Now boring tool came, and now see this one is about to finish the shape, and with this it can take big cuts, and this one is taking small cuts. Now this one is about to finish. More also here we can use also coolant. Now this is the tool. It comes in different diameter, 14, 16 millimeter. We have in our workshop 40 millimeter, also 16. These holes are for the coolant. When this produce hole, coolant comes from here and it keeps it cool. This is the insert. If it damaged, we can easily replace the insert. Now it will show you the coolant. See, from here coolant comes and keep the workpiece and tool in good condition and in cool. Now let's go to the program. One thing that I told you before, that to make these exercises we have workpiece diameter 45. Always we have diameter 45, no problem here, 43, 42, 40 millimeter diameter, but the workpiece we have 45. Now first let me tell you your mistakes, what you are doing, common mistakes. First of all, some students, they did not put O, they just put 0029, so it will be a mistake. You have to give O, the program name with the letter O, and then any 4 digit. And this is the, first of all we'll make the hole, this one, but let me tell you first the mistake. From here this is the whole program, and then this is the turning program, which is similar to same like before. There is no change. T0404, and then RPM starts, and then the feed. Now see, I started from G00X46Z0 because the workpiece is 45, and if we say 46, it means that tool will stop half millimeter above. Now in all assignments, so many of you, what you have done, if this is 43, some student they kept here X44. If this is 42, they kept here 43. No, it is wrong, because our work, we don't look at this shape. We have workpiece here 45. It means we have to stop before 45. If here 43 and you say here 44, it means the tool will come G00 fast and it touch the workpiece, and maybe then there will be an accident. So always we have to keep here X46. So it was the mistake. And then when we go back, if you keep 42, then there is mistake also here, you keep here 42. So if you keep 46 here, it will be also 46. Another common mistake in this line, students, what they do, first mistake, they don't put an N80. You have to put this N80 here, no problem. No N here. You, by the way, you can put N5, N10, no problem. This will be okay, no problem. But if you don't write N here, let me make it on. Yeah, if you don't put N here, no problem, but here you must put N, otherwise the program will be wrong, because here we say G73 program, the G73 stock removal in turning. We need removal, we need turning from here to here. If you don't write N and this N, then the machine will not understand from where to where it has to remove the material. So no problem if you don't write any N here, but here you must have to write. So it was the common mistake. Some of you did not write this N. Another thing, as I told you, our first two exercises we started from an arc here, so that's why we started from 0. So in this case we don't have any shape, we have done finishing, we have done facing, sorry, and then we have to start from here. Just tool will come G00 here and then go here and here. So some of you have started from here center and then go up, and then what will happen, one line G00 will come here, another line you will come here 2, then you will come here 3. There will be 3 mistakes. So in this case, in these exercises, we have to come directly from here. Let's go to our old exercise. Like in this exercise, no need to go from this point. We have to come directly from here. This was your assignment, I think. In this case, no need to go from the center. We have to go just from here, G00, X25, Z1, and then come here and then make arc. So let's go back to our program. So it was the mistake. Now as like parting tool, this parting program, it will always be same, and the eco cut, if we have a drill inside, it will be always same. Now let's see how to make. First of all, we will make the hole, then we will make the hole, then we will do the outer shape, and then we do the parting. This is our plan to make this shape. Let's start. This is the eco cut which make the hole. We have this on tool number 10 on machine. This T10 tool number, and 12 we will put the 0 when we use this tool as a drill. If we use same tool for the boring, then what we will do, first of all we will come here T10 12 and we make the hole, and then again we will use here T10. It means then we will use this tool for the boring. When we use drill, 0 is in the center for the tool. This is the tool, 0 will be here. When we use boring, then the 0 will be here. It will cut from here. So this is the difference. When we use drilling, we will say T10 12. When we use boring, which will be in our next exercise, which will be this, so then we will say T10. This is the drill and this is the boring, T10. So if we use this tool for the drilling, it means 0 is here. If we use this tool for the boring, the tool 0 is here. So but in this exercise we will make just drill, that's why we will use T10 12. Then we will use fixed RPM G97, same like the parting here, fixed RPM also 1000 RPM G97, M04, S1000, and then we will use also feed slow G95, feed per revolution F0.08. then G00 X0 Z1 tool will come here near 1 millimeter in the center, and then G83 Z-20. G83 means drilling step by step, pack drilling cycle. Z-20 means we have to go until 20. If it is 25, it will be 25. If it is 30, it will be Z-30. Q3000 means it is not 3000. In this command on this machine, Q3000 means 3 millimeter. If you want to go like this tool, go 2 millimeter inside and come back again, 2 millimeter come back, then this will be 2000. If you want this tool like 3 millimeter inside and go back, and this will be 3000. So 3000 means 3 millimeter. So 3 millimeter, go back again, 3 again, it will go back again, more inside, 3 millimeter again, it will go 1 millimeter outside to the first point, this point. So after finishing this G80, cancel drilling command, and then home position. This same command you use also in the milling machine. G83 is the pack drilling cycle, but here there you have a little bit more commands, G99, G83, X, Y, and then you have also some like R also, retract. but here you know you have to write just G83 Z minus 23 Z minus 20 and Q 3000 means 3 millimeter inside. Cancel drilling command, and then home position. The tool will go back and the tool will change, and now in the machine we have the turning tool, and now we'll make the outer shape. So for when machine will change the tool, then we'll use constant cutting speed, and this is the cutting speed. It means machine will, when machine go here, RPM will be fast, up, slow, slow, and fast, fast. And the advantage for using this, that our surface everywhere we have good surface finish and same good surface finish. Then because this will remove the material, that's why we can use more feed. Then G00X46Z0 tool will come here, just half millimeter above, because our workpiece is 45, it will be here. And then G01X-1Z0 tool will go until here, and it will do the facing. And then G00X46Z1 again it will go back. G73U1R1 stock removal internal, like it will take 1 millimeter cut, again 1 millimeter up, from here again 1 millimeter, it will cut like this, again retract 1 millimeter. You can keep, as I said, 1.5 2 millimeter, no problem. Then in the next block, G73, P80 is our starting point of the shape, Q120 is the end point of your shape. N80 means if you count from here, N5, N10, N15, N20, this line will be N80. By the way, no problem, you can keep here N1, N2, and you can put here P1, P2. You can put here like N3, N5, or N3, N4, and then it will be P3, P4, no problem. So now let's say from, if we count from N5, N10, it will be N80, G00X43Z1, which will be here. In next command, G01X43Z minus 2.5, from here it will, tool will be here. And then again we have straight line, G01, no need to write, this will diameter 14 and Z minus 33. And now again also here 14 and minus 38. Now we have the arc, G03, X20Z minus 41, radius 3. And again G03, again G03, no need to write here, because the same command, if you write, no problem, if you don't write, no problem, the program will be okay. So this point is the G03 X26 Z minus 44, then again G03 X32 and Z minus 47. Now we have G01 in the end, but we will not stop on the 50, because we have to do parting from the back side. That's why the last line will be G01 X32 Z minus 54. So tool will go more here. If there is an arc here, if our shape finish on arc, then G01 we have to add ourselves, but it was the G01 automatically itself in the program. So that's why we will say G01 X32 Z minus 54. And then in the last line, G00 X46 Z minus 54. Remember why 46 here? Because the workpiece is 45, the chuck is somewhere here, and the inside the workpiece is 45. So that's why we keep 1 millimeter, half millimeter above from the workpiece. Now we have to do finishing. We increase the cutting speed. Before it was the S150, now S200, feed 0.1, or you can keep 0.08, feed will be less. And then we need finishing G72 from P80 to Q120. So now before we left half millimeter in the X and 0.1 in the Z, it will make, now remove that material, it will be now 00 for it, this diameter will be 43 and this will be 14 and 32. After that, home position G28U0W0. Now we will take the parting tool T0606. 06 means this on our machine it is on number 6 in the turret, and this 6 for the 0 value. And then we use fixed RPM G97 M04 S1000 G95 F0.08, feed will be slow. And then G00 X46 Z minus 50 tool will come here. And then G01 X5 Z minus 50 tool will come with the G01 command 5 millimeter until here somewhere. And then M24 the collecting tray forward, there's a collecting tray here in machine, it will be open. And then G01 X minus 1 tool will go until the maximum minus 1, and it means this will be separate, and then it will be in the box. And then M23 collecting tray backward means close, the collecting tray will be close and the workpiece will come outside, and you can collect from there without opening the safety door, and G00X46Z-50 tool will go back here, G28U0W0 home position, M30. So this is the program, and similar I will give you the program with the hole and any shape. You have to give me, you have to submit me that program. But keep remember that these were your mistakes. Don't repeat these mistakes, and most important thing, don't copy from each other. When you copy from each other, we can easily catch you. So when you copy from each other, maybe I cancel your assignment, or maybe I deduct your marks. So better don't copy from each other, make your own assignment and submit. I think it's not difficult because it will be similar to this. Just you have to change the maybe the shape is changed here, then you have to make G01, G0, all nothing is there. Because the EcoCut tool program will be same. If it is 20 here, maybe I give you 25, you have to give 25 here, and parting tool program, it will be same. The change will be only in the shape, and shape we have only G01, G02, G03, nothing else. These are the things. So hope so you will make the program without mistake and submit me as soon as possible. Okay, thank you. Wish you good luck.